welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, and since I don't have that much work to do today, I decided to do something that I've been wanting to do for a while now, and that is cleaning my terracotta pots that have all this built up residue and stuff. I want to get some new cacti and like maybe some succulents, we'll see, but I'm gonna go to a nursery later today in San Diego. And I heard that their prices are really good compared to like those boutique nurseries that literally sell their plants for a ridiculous price. Yeah, we're gonna do that. So I need to go to Target to get some vinegar that is needed to clean those and a toothbrush to scrub those. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys along so we can clean those out, and I'll show you guys how to clean your terracotta pots just so you don't have to toss them out or anything. So let's go. Alright, so I am back from Target and I got the goods. Picked up this distilled vinegar and a pack of toothbrushes, just to like really scrub those terracotta pots. So I looked this up online, and in order to clean them, we have to start with taking off all of the dirt, obviously. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean these out, and also I'm gonna lay something out for these guys because I'm going to obviously repot these. So it might be weird that I'm doing it in my kitchen, but honestly this is the only place where I can really do it because my sink is huge. There's like it's like a perfect surface really to work on plant stuff. I just make sure that I clean really well and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and clean all these guys. I'm gonna just make sure that I remove all the dirt from them right before we start soaking them in the vinegar. Okay, so this is the most that I'm gonna clean them because they're just gonna get washed anyways. Now we're gonna move on to the next step. You're just gonna want it to be like room temperature water. So I'm just gonna let it fill up a bit because I don't need that much. And now I'm gonna add some of this. You can check the exact measurements, but honestly I'm just gonna eyeball it. I think it's supposed to be like 1 part vinegar to like 2 parts water or something, but don't quote me on that. You guys can check, but you can just eyeball it. These guys aren't that messy, so they're not gonna need to be soaked in too much of this vinegar. So yeah, that's all I'll add. So you saw how much I added. I don't know, I just eyeballed it. And I just put my ear to it, and you can like hear the fizzing sound. I don't think you guys could hear it, but it's basically just fizzing because it's the vinegar reacting with the mineral salts that have built up on the pots. So that's how you know it's working. If yours has a lot of buildup, then I would just obviously use more vinegar than water. And you're also just gonna want to soak them for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on like how dirty they are too. So let's see if you guys could hear it. You can like see that one fizzing. But yeah, you can hear them fizzing, so it's working. It's pretty cool. This is the first time I've ever done this. Now, I'm just gonna be rotating them throughout the 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. So they've been soaking for a good amount of time. So next we're gonna move on to brushing. And just keep scrubbing until you get rid of all of the buildup. When the pot is wet, it's kind of hard to tell like where the buildup is and stuff. So you're just gonna want to feel it out. You'll feel where the buildup is, and then you'll just like keep scrubbing until it's all gone. All right, so we're all done scrubbing, and I feel pretty good about it. I think Obviously they're wet, so you can't really tell how clean they are until they fully dry. Before, I would always feel like the need to toss these out when they got really dirty, and now we can clean them, so that's good. And terracotta pots are my favorite, not just because of their look. I like the very natural look, but also because they're the best for plants. They help absorb any excess water, and that's what helps with like overwatering your plants. It doesn't really happen when you have them in a terracotta pot. Like I said, it helps absorb that water. What causes the buildup on the terracotta pots is all of the absorbed minerals that are in the soil, and also salt or chemicals that are in the fertilizers that we use. So yeah, that is what causes the buildup, just in case you didn't know. So after you're done with that, an extra step that you can do is running these in the dishwasher, but I don't use my dishwasher. I'm just gonna use soap and water to clean these out, and then we're gonna let them sit for a while we go to the nursery and get some more plants. So yeah, that's it. We'll see how they turn out. Pretty excited to have some clean terracotta pots. You guys might already have vinegar in your home, and it's great because it's biodegradable, it's not bad for the environment, and it's just a really good way to clean your pots. The reason why I washed the pots with soap and water is to make sure that all the vinegar was gone. So next, let's go to the plant nursery. I want to see some of their cacti selection, and I'll take you along to the plant nursery. Okay, so I just got to the nursery and I'm really excited. I've never been here before. It's called City Farmers Nursery. So I'm really excited. It looks pretty cool, so let's go. So I just got back and I want to show you guys what I got. I really loved this nursery. They had animals, they had so many different plants, and it was huge. So it was really nice to just like walk around. So I just got a little aloe vera plant, two little cactus guys, these for putting the pots on top of, and then some of the little ones. And then I got this potting mix. This one I was told I can use for the succulents and for basically all of my houseplants. So I hadn't tried this brand yet, but honestly this is like supposed to be like the best of the best. So let's check on the pots. I believe they're nice and dry now. They are nice and dry. I got some other pots too, so we're just gonna fix up this whole situation right here. Yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna bring over all that stuff and we're gonna start potting everything. So they're all repotted. They look so cute. I love that they're just all gathered right here in the kitchen. Don't forget to water them after you repot them. I just didn't water these two because they were pretty small and their soil was already kind of moist. So you don't want to overwater these guys too much, especially because they're really little. So there you guys have it. I hope you love them because I love them. They look so cute. I love that aloe vera. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you still haven't, and follow me on Instagram at ClasiCasita for more inspo and plant and home pictures. Yeah, thank you guys again, and I will see you next video.